You know what frustrates me is when you're on an exhibition, you're having a great conversation, but you've got to push things along because you've got other people waiting to talk to you. Well, in 2026, we're stepping out of the exhibition hall and we're looking at bringing that exhibition demo directly to you. We're going to load the van up with demos pertinent to your applications, solutions that you want to see. Spend some time getting to know these things, getting hands-on, asking questions, finding out how you can benefit from the huge range of solutions that we can provide you. Maybe you're interested in cognex machine vision, 2D stuff, 3D stuff, AI powered. Maybe you want to guide robots using the latest MechMind hardware and software. Maybe you're interested in flexible feeding. We can test your parts right there and then. Maybe you're interested in robots. We can bring along the Dobots. We'll bring along Rich from Dobot as well. And we'll get you hands-on programming that robot in no time. Spaces for this really are limited. So click on the link below to apply for a space today. I look forward to seeing you soon.